Sweden is making bold moves in response to rising tensions in Europe, pouring an astounding $3 billion into developing a cutting-edge fighter jet. This next-generation aircraft is built for speed, stealth, and precision, designed to take on some of the most formidable opponents in the skies. With growing concerns over security, Sweden recognized the urgent need to upgrade its aging fleet, leading to the birth of an advanced war machine capable of handling modern combat challenges. Designed by Saab, Sweden's leading aerospace manufacturer, this single-engine fighter is built for multiple roles. It can engage enemy aircraft, strike targets on the ground, and gather critical intelligence using state-of-the-art sensors. Agile, highly responsive, and armed with top-tier weaponry, this aircraft is tailored to modern battle scenarios. One of its key objectives is ensuring it can counter current and future threats while maintaining reliability and cost-effectiveness. Unlike many high-priced warplanes, this aircraft balances top-tier performance with affordability, making it an attractive option for countries worldwide. Not only does this fighter protect Sweden's airspace, but it has also gained trust internationally. Nations such as the Czech Republic and Hungary rely on it, while South Africa and Thailand have also placed their orders. Even the UK's Empire Test Pilots School incorporates it into their training programs. Built for compatibility with allied forces and adaptable for global missions, this aircraft has proven its dependability, logging over 100,000 flight hours. A two-seat version is also available, allowing for advanced training and specialized missions without sacrificing combat capability. What sets this jet apart is its agility. In close-range engagements, it ranks among the most maneuverable fighter jets ever built, designed to outclass opponents in high-speed dogfights. This is made possible through an innovative aerodynamic design that includes a delta wing paired with forward-position canards. These features allow for sharp turns, swift evasive maneuvers, and pinpoint strikes. Saab engineers took a bold step by implementing a relaxed stability system, pushing maneuverability to the limit while enhancing takeoff and landing efficiency. Unlike heavier aircraft, this sleek design minimizes air resistance, allowing for greater speed, extended range, and increased weapon payload capacity. A defining characteristic of this jet is its intelligence. It is fully programmable, meaning that its combat missions can be updated with software enhancements rather than costly hardware modifications. This adaptability keeps it ahead of emerging threats, ensuring it remains one of the most versatile fighters in service. Additionally, it is built for rapid deployment, capable of taking off and landing on short or damaged runways, an essential feature for real-world combat conditions. The onboard systems are just as impressive. At the heart of its mission control is an advanced digital network that seamlessly links its sensors, weapons, and avionics. This sensor fusion technology provides pilots with a complete and accurate picture of the battlefield, improving situational awareness and target tracking. Stealth also plays a role in its effectiveness. The aircraft's design incorporates features that reduce its radar and infrared signature, making it significantly harder to detect. Its radar system, developed by Ericsson and GE, is among the most sophisticated in its class. Inspired by systems used in other leading fighter jets, this advanced radar can track multiple targets simultaneously, regardless of weather conditions, whether they are in the air, on land, or at sea. Capable of detecting threats up to 120 kilometers away, it can lock onto multiple enemy aircraft and guide precision missiles beyond visual range, ensuring adversaries are struck before they even realize the danger. This aircraft is not limited to aerial combat. It is designed to engage in a variety of operations, including striking ground targets with pinpoint accuracy and conducting reconnaissance missions to gather intelligence. Its ability to integrate a vast array of modern weaponry makes it a formidable force in any conflict. Engineered for versatility, it runs on a powerful engine developed from General Electric's F404, modified by Sweden's Volvo Aero. Controlled by a digital monitoring system, this engine ensures peak efficiency while activating backup systems if necessary. With a maximum speed exceeding 2,400 kilometers per hour, this fighter is among the fastest of its kind. Its combat range extends to 800 kilometers, while it can travel over 3,000 kilometers on a ferry mission. Capable of soaring to altitudes exceeding 15 kilometers, it has the advantage of striking from high above its enemies. Weighing approximately 5,700 kilograms when empty, this aircraft can carry up to 14,000 kilograms when fully loaded with weapons and fuel. One of the biggest advantages of this fighter is its ability to adapt mid-flight. Unlike older military aircraft, which required separate planes for air superiority, ground attacks, and reconnaissance, this model can switch between these roles seamlessly at the push of a button. This adaptability gives pilots an immense tactical advantage, allowing them to respond instantly to unfolding threats. The jet's arsenal is just as versatile. Unlike many other fighters that are restricted to using weapons from a single country, this aircraft can be equipped with missiles and munitions from multiple suppliers across Europe and the United States. This flexibility allows different air forces to customize their loadouts according to their defense strategies. For close-quarters combat, it features an internally mounted high-energy cannon that can operate in automatic radar-guided mode, ensuring deadly accuracy. Additionally, it can carry a variety of air-to-air missiles, including infrared-guided options for dogfighting and radar-guided variants for long-range engagements. Ground attack capabilities are equally formidable. The aircraft is armed with laser-guided bombs, cluster munitions, and precision strike weapons that ensure maximum impact against enemy forces. Its 8 hardpoints, 3 under each wing and 2 beneath the fuselage, allow it to carry an extensive selection of missiles and bombs, making it adaptable for any combat situation. Inside the cockpit, the aircraft is designed for maximum efficiency and pilot awareness. A fully digital interface presents real-time flight data on 3 large color displays, ensuring all critical information is at the pilot's fingertips. The hands-on throttle and stick system allows for immediate control of vital functions without needing to look away from the action, providing an advantage in high-stakes combat situations. Swedish military officials have confidently stated that this fighter was built specifically to counter advanced Russian aircraft. In particular, they claim it can challenge the dominance of highly maneuverable Russian jets without relying on expensive stealth technology. Unlike US warplanes, which emphasize stealth, this aircraft takes a different approach, focusing on advanced electronic warfare capabilities that can neutralize enemy advantages. Military analysts have praised the aircraft's electronic warfare systems, which are considered among the best in the world. Unlike stealth, which can become obsolete if detection methods evolve, electronic warfare is constantly updated with new software, keeping the aircraft ahead of emerging threats. Pilots have reported that in training exercises, its electronic warfare capabilities have been so effective that they rendered enemy aircraft unable to detect it until it was already positioned for an attack. Unlike American stealth fighters, which require extensive and costly modifications to remain competitive, this jet stays ahead of threats through continuous software updates. Sweden's approach ensures that its fighter remains relevant without undergoing expensive redesign. If a major conflict were to erupt, this aircraft would have a significant advantage by operating from rugged terrain while remaining under the protection of advanced surface-to-air missile systems. Its electronic warfare suite further enhances survivability by disrupting enemy radar and missile guidance systems. One of its most powerful weapons is the Meteor missile, known for its exceptional range and effectiveness. Designed to maintain high speed and energy throughout its flight, the Meteor is difficult to evade, giving this fighter an edge in long-range engagement. This combination of cutting-edge radar, electronic warfare capabilities, and advanced weaponry makes it a formidable opponent for any adversary. As the geopolitical landscape shifts, Sweden has begun reconsidering whether to supply these jets to Ukraine. While initial hesitation was due to logistical concerns, growing discussions suggest that Ukraine may eventually receive them. The performance of this aircraft in real combat could provide invaluable insights, not just for Sweden, but for NATO as a whole. Experts believe that if deployed in Ukraine, it could prove to be a game changer. For Sweden, this fighter jet represents decades of preparation for a potential conflict with Russia. If it proves effective in battle, it could elevate its status on the global market, attracting interest from nations seeking a capable yet cost-effective multi-role aircraft.